Alumni, baby, we out here. Moraine alumni. Dude, myself right here, Jordan. To let y'all know we coming. About to hit hip-hop hard. We here. You know, people don't really recognize Baltimore for real, but it's been a long time coming. All we got came out of here, Dru Hill. Really? I mean, not to put them down or say nothing bad about them, but come on now. We harder than that. It's the city of the wires, you feel me? You know somebody's supposed to be out by now, but we about to do what we supposed to be doing. Fans, sorry. Y'all already know who y'all are.